Here is a demonstration video of our Mungo Makes Friends ebook. Although you see Polish and English, any other language edition works exactly the same, with audio in both the home language and English.
Mungo makes new friends.
Mungo poznaje nowych przyjaciół. Gdy Mungo zaczął przeżuwać swoje otręby i jęczmień z melasą, pojawił się bażant. Ptak usadowił.
As Mungo started to munch on his bran and barley with molasses, a pheasant appeared. The pheasant perched next to Mungo's bowl and pecked the bran and barley. Mungo was happy to share his meal. Then
Mungo wziął głęboki wdech i wytężył swój węch.
Mungo took a deep breath and sniffed. He could smell someone creeping closer to Mungo and his friends. Mungo makes new friends. It was a beautiful morning. The sky had a hint of pink and the ground was white with a touch of frost. Mungo is a very big old horse and loves his food. Mungo was happy to share his meal. There was enough to go round. From then on, the robin, the wagtail, the pheasant, the rabbit, and the
Leaves, leaves. The leaves are falling from the trees. Robin, robin. The robin has a red breast.